Lack of compassion, customer service, in addition to rudeness, led to friends and I leaving the namesake establishment of villa owner Mr. Waterfield for what should have been a happy birthday celebration. Blue Ridge heard about the unfortunate event and generously offered me a birthday do-over. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah. Farinago.
Oh, Jesus.
You have space to spread out.
Yes, girl. Each person gets a room.
That look like a dead end. You're not serious.
I'm gonna turn right here. Take you off.
You going like Nasa. Oh man. At least the view is nice.
It is. Especially at night.
Yeah, when it lights up, I can imagine.
It's gonna get a little bit steeper than that.
It's gonna get steeper than that? Alright. Oh, steep. Okay. Wow, no sir. No sir.
That's a truck and run, man.
Oh, that's a truck that gets stuck. Mm-mm. You're the first guy.
Okay.
Welcome to the Butterfly Cottage. Hospitality. Sue say hi. Speak out. Tony say hi. What's your name, Tony? Chicky Limbs. Chick names. A little pet humming bird.
A little later.
Hey! This is how you run a lizard.
Wait.
Survival tip.
Put it somewhere else.
No, sir. No, sir.
The girl is from Lisa. No talk truth.
No, but it's my bag.
You're not bringing home with you.
Me not bring it home. Me not go in there forget my clothes and him come
You
out
know
from
when you want to Kingston and you had a trip to
the playground still.
Yeah, but we don't want you
Trying to go pay
Him under the night table?
Go pay night table.
No, should be him outside. Yes,
He
Tony.
must set like him want to go pay night table.
As long as him go,
Jesus.
hey.
You know what? It should be the other way.
Maybe.
No, it's not to me.
Tony saying cool.
What's not a cold man out on the wicked stuff?
But him don't go like him on the outside. Tony.
Just slap him.
Don't make him go on the bed.
Wait.
Tony.
Call him.
Ryan.
Call
Ryan.
I've never had the song for me.
Weird.
He ran the song. Can't get him. See him on the bed, something. See him
bed
die right there, so.
On the nightstand in there.
Oh.
Okay. Alright, hold on.
Call Ryan.
Hold on. Get the Ryan.
Nobody did nothing. Can turn around. Don't forget that lizard out of the room for me, please. Alright. Thank you. Just watch him so we know where I'm there.
Hey.
Where you going?
From around this one.
You know, so that this is not you need to get home more because if you said that this are them a cook more, this I can right so and you so right side is them do.
And then don't move, yeah?
But him, you go too close him move at him.
What more lizard them a gunman, you know?
Ay, oh boy.
Where I'm going? Wait. Fall upon the ground and yeah, me come on the bed. Ryan, you lost him.
Run. And then him start climbing on the couch. Listen. Yes! Out all the way. Victory! Lock back the door.
And now it's time to get ready for birthday dinner.
Good man. Like that is a transition of different flavors. Like it starts with the first and it move up, and it just move up to the. Oh my god!
Ooh. And make our own half sign for our whatever meal. She go and put it on top.
On our sorbet.
Yeah.
Sorbet.
Oh good. Boy. Lord, hey. Quick switch up for bedtime.
Shoes. Elastic. Do you have phone smarter than you, Sue?
No.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have big old booty?
I mean, in the cards, no.
A little later.
I already have to touch her for the rest of the game. She can't touch me. The wallet have a balance on her head or she out. She cannot touch her cheek no more. The game's still a gone.
Stand on 1 foot.
And what the other one say?
Keep your pinky in your ear.
Call me if. Boy. So one finger on the cheek, one in the ear.
1 foot, no spell.
1 foot for the whole game. Alright.
See how she da move when she get up.
Boy. Stand on 1 foot, Tony. You there on 1 foot, Tony?
Jesus.
You look like you're still there on 2 foot, you know, Tony.
No man, it up in her ear.
Ah. You can catch it on the bed
And
still.
that me that do.
Pick someone to drink. Ewa, you're the birthday girl. So that's shot.
Alright. Should I have shot glass?
Oi. Alright. Just in case. Never have I ever snuck out of my house when my parents were sleeping. How is this a drugs question?
That's not drugs related.
It's not that also your parents are sleeping?
I believe
was running
it.
from this and it came right back around.
It's sweet. So if you follow it,
As in, it's not bad.
it's not bad, but if you follow it, that's what I'm saying, it's like rum punch.
It's a creeper.
Yeah.
But
take
it
your
has
time.
a lot of different flavors just bursting in my mouth.
Oi.
I taste
Oi.
Kool-Aid.
Oi.
I taste
Blueberry.
blueberry.
Oi.
I taste the rum.
Wait, I want that.
Nice
sound
combination.
excited.
Tipsy with there?
Tipsy girl.
Tipsy girl, let's get lit.
Lit. I know 1 lit, not 2 lit.
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 Mm-hmm.
Wait.
I'm
It was
confused.
my turn and I make her drink. So
Yeah,
it's
and
your turn.
then me do it and do the DF thing.
Oh, so my turn.
Your turn.
Oh. Yeah, see. Oi.
Does it take up empty? Yes.
Yeah, it's empty now. 5.
Kiss people when they're drunk. And them cheek.
This says never have I ever made out.
Yeah.
Which mean tongue kiss.
Yeah, that's what I say. And a kiss, you kiss
Yeah.
people. But you kiss people when you're drunk.
Yes, I'm very
You
I'm
kiss
very
everybody.
friendly. I'm very loving when I'm drunk. Which is why I don't drink around
Until you
people
be
no
like,
more.
so. I'm like, what is wrong with this child? I think we were at quad that time. And this girl drinking.
Blush. So I guess she's telling the truth.
Probably I did.
Never have I ever helped a friend get out of jail. Oh, example, paid their bill.
See them to you. You see how far me there?
1 hour later.
Guys, it is not that cool.
See, what may I tell you? Every food that I ate from this place has been delicious. Delicioso.
Wait, watch the food porn.
It's mine.
A few moments later.
Wanna say no cool? So let me see what you wear over there. So. Hand fold up and all these things. Look yourself.
Work every day till we meet ends. I fi turn it up on the weekends. Boss a toast to your real friend. Tell me why you're drinking, car. Good time, eh? Good time, eh? Good time, eh?